Hi guys, welcome back to Eritrea Sisters channel. Today is Independence Day for Eritrea. Today is 24th May 2026. If you see people wearing red, green, blue flags, dancing and chanting, you know what's happening. We're celebrating Eritrea. Whether you're an Eritrean watching from Kampala, Canada, Washington or Australia, or you're just a curious explorer wanting to find out about the world, today we're taking a trip to the Horn of Africa. Where in Africa is Eritrea? Eritrea sits at the edge of the Red Sea. The word Eritrea actually comes from the Greek word Eritrea, which means red. What are the neighbors of Eritrea? Eritrea borders Sudan, Djibouti and Ethiopia. It has a 1,000-kilometer coastline, which is the Red Sea. This is not the Red Sea, it's the Lake Victoria. Does it snow or it's sunny in Eritrea? What's the weather like? Part of Eritrea is like a hot desert. That's the lowlands. The highlands are mountainous and chilly. The capital city of Eritrea is Asmara, and it's known for its old and artistic structures. What are the ethnic groups of Eritrea? Eritrea has 9 ethnic groups. The ethnic groups are Tigrinya, Tigray, Savo, Bile, Nara, Kunama, Rashaida, Afar, Hedara. These ethnic groups have their own culture, their own languages, their own way of dressing, and their own dancing styles. In the last video, I told you guys a bit about my culture and my culture food, but today let me explain it in detail. Eritrea's most common food is injera. Injera are flat bread, kacha, hembasha, shiro, ga'at, which is porridge, zigni. Zigni is the most common food and it's really spicy. In our culture, food is eaten by our hands. We do not use forks and spoons. We use our hands to scoop up and eat the food. But it's meant to be shared, to have fun, and to be eaten together. Whether you're an Eritrean celebrating in Kampala, where I am, in Canada, in Washington, or wherever you are around the world, let's all learn to be proud of where we come from. And if you're not Eritrean, thanks for learning about my country and my culture. Maybe today you can try some injera. Happy Independence Day!
من بعد بسلام نفنتي مبرا سلام